Hello. First we open these two screws and we will put Sesma tool here to open the LCD like this. Now we will open these 4 screws and lift up the plate. Now we will open the plate of the battery terminal. Open the battery terminal and we'll open the LCD flexes. Now open home button plate and the steel plate from the back side of the LCD. It has 6 screws. Open one by one. Now open front camera flex. It has speaker as well. Open home button. Put back battery terminal and its plate. Put the plate on the back side of the new LCD and close the screws. Now put the speaker and front camera flex. Put the LCD flexes. Now close the steel plate, the protection plate of the LCD flexes. Whether it is working or not. Yes, that's good. Okay, bye.